Guys, welcome back to Kristen's Kitchen once again. So today we are making chocolate milkshake with ice cream. So we have a guest here, my little sister, Sephora. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is specially for her, this milkshake. Main ingredients are 1 cup of milk, half a bucket of chocolate ice cream, syrup and sugar for taste. Also need ice cubes, whipping cream and cocoa powder. Hand blender, blend it well. Me to whip the cream like chocolate. Let's get ready to serve. Top it up with cocoa powder. Ready for tasting. Come on, eat one bite. How's it? Good? Enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe and see you in the next video. Be safe. Bye.
What is?
Chocolate ice cream.
What is this?
We're going to make a milkshake.
Okay.